Hi, this is Dr. Ramu, working as a Dean, Career Development Center, NRCM Engineering College, Hyderabad. So, as a part of the coding culture, we did the first step. All the students are registered in the HackerRank. Now, our task is you have to solve the problems in the HackerRank. Might be some students may struggle to solve the problems. To overcome that issue, I am creating the video tutorial for the each and every problem. My request is before going to watch this video, first try from your end, right? If you are unable to solve the problem and you didn't get any guidance, then only you watch the video to solve the particular problem, right? And before going to the problem explanation, I want to explain our leaderboard. So this is the leaderboard created for the HackerRank from our college. So initially we equipped the data with the first year and second year students. Later we include the third year students data as well in this tutorial. In the leaderboard, right? And here you can search your scores based on roll number, right? And branch wise toppers. For example, see if you want to see the who is the toppers in the ECE, right? You just apply the ECE, then you will get the all ECE toppers. It's the first student, and you can check the right year wise toppers, and you can check the branch wise toppers and mentor wise, and also you can see here the performance is based on here the scale is there, right? I want to see the who is the toppers who received the more than 120, right? So only one student received the 120 score. Like that we can use this leaderboard to check your performance and compare your reference, and same you have to take the right challenge to solve the problems. And my sincere request is don't search for the shortcuts, right? Even you get the 620 points by using the shortcuts, you didn't get anything. That is the keep in your mind. Last video tutorial we learned how to solve the sum and difference of two numbers. In today's video tutorial we are going to learn how to use the functions in C, right? This is a topic we are going to learn through the HackerRank problem. Functions in C. So here the problem statement is very clear. You need to find the largest value from the given four values. That is the task. But please remember, so in many companies like Google, Amazon, the companies they are going to fill the function, not going to ask you to write the code from the scratch like this, right? And before going to the solution, first see the task. Write a function int max of 4, right? This is going to take the 4 arguments. Please no need to read the data from the input because already they wrote the code reading of 4 numbers from the input. Your task is only to complete this function, right? Finding the largest value from given 4 values. That is your task here, right? For that, I'm going to copy this function here and I placed here, and yes, the main agenda of this function, it is going to find the largest value and return the data to the back to the main function, right? And here you can use the statements if statement or conditional statement as you wish. Anyone by concept you are going to solve this problem, right? And see the input format, no need to worry about the input format because already they read the data. And here print the greatest of the 4 numbers. Note, IO will be automatically handled, means no need to read your input output, right? No need to read your input and no need to worry about the printing also. Okay, that task they are going to handle. Your task is to find the largest value and send back to the main function. That is your agenda here. Clear? And so here you have a and B and C and D. It is very simple, right? You just take as a simple, you just take the two extra variable x and y. X and y. Find the first largest of A and B, right? Next find the largest of C and D, and find the next of these two parts you can find the largest of final value. It's a very easy way to solve, right? Even you can use the conditional state operator to solve this problem, but for the easy purpose I'm going with these two extra variables. Even you can solve by using without using extra variables also, right? But the simple usage I'm going to take the two extra variables to solve this problem. First you just take the if statement. If A greater than B, then simply A greater than B means A is greater, right? So then I can take the x equal to A, right? Else x equal to B. X value is going to contain the largest of A and B. Got it? And next, if C is greater than D, this means that the largest value of C and D, right? Y equal to C, else, right? Z equal to D. That's all. Now x and y value contain the x contains the largest of A and B, and y contains the largest of C and D. Now you compare the x and y and find the largest value. And simply here it is y, right? Yes. Next, if x is greater than y, then simply x is greater, right? You simply return the x value. Else return y. That's all. We just run the code. Compilation error because here that brackets are open. No need to use the brackets, and here also brackets are open. Yes. And here also else means by default the brackets are open. Because here we are using single statement, right? For the single statement, no need to use the flower brackets. Got it? C. And submit the code. Done. And also same problem you can solve using nested if also, or conditional statement also, right? You try with the different ways, but this is the one way. Okay. Thank you.